Hello, this is Michael Chambers with the Chambers Cooking Channel. I am about to show you guys how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now, before you start off, make sure your whole work area is clean and that you've already washed your hands. As you can see, I have, or you can't. Well, some of the things you need are a knife, some peanut butter, some jelly, 2 pieces of bread, not that, these, and a plate, and that should be it. So first off, you want to put your peanut butter onto a piece of bread. Show you my scooping it out real quick, like that. And you spread the peanut butter on the bread. Obviously that is not enough. So we need more peanut butter, like that. I think that's about enough. What do you guys think? Now let's put the jelly on. First we'll wipe off the knife from the peanut butter on the edge of the peanut butter jar, like so. Now no worries if you don't get all of it off, the peanut butter is going to be mixed in with the jelly anyways. Then you take your other piece of bread, set it on the plate because it's very difficult to get jelly out. I don't think that's enough, but we'll try it. Oh, and I seem to have gotten some onto that piece of bread, but that's okay. Let's get some more jelly. Delicious purple goodness. When you feel like you have enough jelly and enough peanut butter on your 2 pieces of bread, you take them and you squish them together. And then you enjoy. That's it.